Okay, let's solve this problem. In this problem given that 50 mm by 30 mm rectangle plane resting on VP. Here plane is resting on VP. So first stage of VP, second stage for phi, and third stage for theta. Okay, with its shorter side, it makes an angle of 45 to the VP. Okay, so phi is equal to 45 degree. The shorter side on which plane is resting is makes an angle of 30 degree with the HP. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Draw the projection. Okay, so here plane is resting on vertical plane. Okay, so we draw this rectangle 50 mm by 30 mm on vertical plane. Okay, here it is plane is resting on shorter side. Okay, so I draw the shorter side on left hand side. So first I draw one rectangle at here. Okay, first I draw this reference line. Okay, now I draw this rectangle 50 mm by 30 mm on vertical plane. This plane is resting on shorter side, so I draw the shorter side at here, left hand side of 30 mm side. Okay, this side of 50 mm. Okay, I give the name A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, so in this way I draw the front view for the first stage. Now for drawing the top view, I just simply take the projection from here and from here. Okay, so here I get my point A, B, and at here I get my point C, D. Okay, here if I see from the top, then B point and C point are hidden point. Okay, so here I get my top view for the first stage. Okay, so in this way I complete the first stage. Now for second stage, this plane makes an angle 45 degree with the vertical plane. So we represent this angle on horizontal plane. Okay, so for that I measure the angle of 45 degree at here. Phi is equal to 45 and draw this line 50 mm line at here at angle of 45 degree. Okay, I give the name A, B and C, D. Okay, so in this way I complete the top view. Now for drawing the front view, I just simply take the projection. I draw the projection line from this point and from here. Okay, similarly from here. Okay. So here for point A, I take the line projection line from here and from here. So I get my point A dash at here. For B dash point, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point B dash. For C point, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point C dash. For D dash point, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point D dash. Okay, so after joining this point A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash and D dash, A dash. Okay, I complete my front view. Okay, so in this way I complete the second stage. Okay, now let's come for the third stage. In third stage, given that the shorter side on which plane is resting is makes an angle 30 degree with the HP. Side makes an angle with HP, so we draw this angle on vertical plane. Okay, so here I draw one line at angle of 30 degree. At here this angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, here the shorter side makes an angle 30 degree. Okay? Shorter side means here side A dash, B dash. I draw this same rectangle at here. Okay, so here first I mark the point A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash, this line at here A dash, B dash. Okay, now I draw one perpendicular line at here. Okay, of distance B dash, C dash. So here I get my point C dash. Okay, similarly from A dash point I draw another line, perpendicular line, okay, of distance of A dash, D dash. So here I get my point D dash. Okay, so after joining C dash, D dash, I get my front view for the third stage. Okay, now for top view, I just simply take the projection. For point A, I take the projection from A dash at here and from here. Okay, so here I get my point A. Okay, similarly for point B, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point B. For point C, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point C. Okay, similarly for point D, I take the projection from here and from here. So here I get my point D. Okay, so after joining this point AB, BC, CD and D, okay, I get my top view for the third stage. Okay, so in this way I complete the third stage of this problem. Okay, and I solve this problem. Okay, you just remember one thing, that if the plane is resting on HP, then second stage for theta and third stage for the phi. If the plane is resting in VP, then second stage for the phi and third stage for the theta. Okay, in upcoming lectures we solve the problem of pentagon and hexagon plane. Okay, so let's see how to draw the pentagon and hexagon plane. Let's see how to draw the pentagon plane. Here I am drawing the pentagon with a 40 mm size. Okay, for that, first here I draw one line of 40 mm. Okay, this distance is 40 mm. Now in pentagon there are 5 sides, so the angle is equal to 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72 degree. Okay, so here I measure 72 degree and draw one line of 40 mm side. Here this angle is 72 degree. Okay, so similarly here I draw the another line of 40 mm at angle of 72 degree. This angle is equal to 72 degree. Okay, now I measure 40 mm. Now I take radius is equal to 40 mm and draw one arc from here and one arc from here. Okay, so here intersection of two arcs give me the fifth point of the pentagon. Now connect this point with here and this. Okay, so in this way I draw my pentagon. Okay, here we find the angle for any plane by using this equation, 360 divided by number of side. Okay, here pentagon have 5 sides, so 360 divided by 5, so we get 72 degree. Okay, so all sides are inclined at angle of 72 degree. Okay, similarly for hexagon, if we find the angle, then 360 divided by 6, so 60 degree. Okay, so in hexagon we have angle of 60 degree. Okay, all sides are inclined at 60 degree. Okay, so for drawing the hexagon, I draw one line at here of 40 mm. Okay, now I measure the angle 60 and draw another line at here. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, similarly from here I draw another line of 40 mm side at angle of 60 degree. Okay, similarly I draw another line at here at angle of 60 degree. Similarly from here another line at angle of 60 degree. Okay? This angle is 60 degree. Similarly here this angle is 60 degree. Okay, now I connect these 2 points, so I get my 6 side of this hexagon. Okay, so in this way I complete my hexagon. Okay, here I draw the hexagon by using another method. Okay, for that, for example, here I require to draw the hexagon resting on side like this. So for that, first I draw one circle. Okay, here I require to draw the hexagon of 30 mm side, so I take 30 mm as a radius and draw one circle at here. Okay, I require to draw the hexagon of 30 mm side. Okay, so I take 30 mm as a radius and draw one circle at here. Here I require to draw the hexagonal resting on side. So here I draw one vertical line which pass from the center. Okay, this way. Okay, so here I get my 2 points of the hexagon, one at here and one at here. Okay, hexagon have 6 points. Now getting another 4 points, I take this point as a center and 30 mm as a radius. I draw one arc at here and one arc at here. Okay, so I get another 2 points. Similarly, I take this point as a center and draw another here and one arc at here. Okay, so I get my 6 points. Okay, so after connecting this point, I get my hexagonal plane. Okay, similarly here I draw the hexagon resting on corner in this way. Okay, so for that I draw one circle with 30 mm as a radius. Okay, because we require to draw the hexagon of 30 mm side, so I take 30 mm as a radius and draw one circle at here. Okay, here the hexagonal is resting on corner, so I draw one horizontal line at here which pass from the center of the circle. Okay, so here I get my 2 points of the hexagon, so 4 points remaining. For getting that 4 points, I take this point as a center and 30 mm as a radius. I draw 2 arcs which intersect the circle at these 2 points. Similarly, now I take this point as a center and 30 mm as a radius. I draw another 2 arcs which intersect the circle at these 2 points. Okay, so intersection of this arc give me the 4 points. Okay, so total 6 points I get. Now just connect this 6 points, so I get my hexagon. Okay, so in this way we drew the pentagon hexagon plane. Okay, so here I conclude this lecture. In upcoming lecture we solve the problem of hexagon, pentagon, circular and square plates. Okay, thank you.